Hey, I'm Tom from AC Solar Warehouse. I'm just about to present a section about SigenStack in a webinar, so please listen in. At AC Solar Warehouse, we manufacture SIG Energy custom gateways. With SigenStack, you don't need a gateway when installing HYA inverters, when installing less than 4 HYB inverters without generator, or connecting a generator to a less than 4 HYB system via a separate ATS MTS. You do need a gateway if you want to install 4 or more HYB inverters. So essentially, it's quite different with SigenStack. The main reason why you'd need a gateway is if you want to install more than 4 HYB inverters. Most of the other scenarios are going to be quite uncommon and therefore unlikely you need a gateway, as opposed to SigenStore where most systems or every system you need backup, you need a gateway. So that does mean that there is situations that you might need an additional switchboard for your installation, not specifically a gateway. If you're doing over 200 kVA or over 30 kVA in selected utilities, if you're connecting multiple inverters, if you want to put a specific backup load distribution board in place for all the backup loads, or if you want to have a bypass switchboard. So we can also provide a number of engineering services for SigenStack systems. So in Queensland, anything over 30 kVA requires RPEQ sign-off. So we have in-house engineers that can perform that service. There's design certification reports, compliance reports, and power quality testing, meter rental and analysis. If you're not familiar with our range of label kits, we do have one SigenStore label kit in stock at the moment, ready to ship out. We've finished developing our SigenStack label kit. So we've designed these label kits specifically for SigenStack. You can see product specific. We have comprehensive labels in these kits, so they cover most common scenarios, all on an aluminium plaque to make it look quite nice and professional along with the install. We also provide instructions exactly where to put each label. We include a waterproof safety data sheet in a document holder, and we also have an extra kit for if you want to install more than a few inverters. We have add-on kits so you can install, so you have labeling sufficient for as many inverters as you want to install. And the best thing about it is we guarantee compliance. So if you have any issues with inspectors, then reach out to us. We stand behind our label kits. We've done a lot of research into this and a lot of work putting this together. Yeah, we guarantee our compliance. I hope you got a lot of information out of that presentation. If you have any questions or want to see our cool products, please reach out.